Imagine an infantryman who doesn't need to see the enemy to kill them. Through solid concrete, using AI, fusing thermal drone feeds with helmet sensors, projecting red targeting diamonds exactly where enemies hide. Not theory. In Project Convergence 2025, where 101st Airborne watched enemy positions highlighted through buildings. This isn't better night vision. It's collapsing the gap between division intelligence and what a single soldier sees. When every squad carries brigade-level awareness, line of sight stops mattering, and infantry combat becomes asymmetric. This is Anduril EagleEye, the helmet that turned 3 decades of failed soldier digitization into operational reality. At 70 degrees diagonal field of view and exceeding 100,000 nits brightness, EagleEye uses Silicon Carbide waveguides, delivering augmented reality overlays visible in desert sun. Soldiers see thermal signatures, friendly positions in blue, preventing fratricide, enemy locations in red from voice-controlled drones, all fused into view, updating under 20 milliseconds. That's not incremental improvement, that's complete reimagining of infantry awareness. What makes this strategically threatening is combining Microsoft's cloud processing with Meta's billion-dollar AR research in a package meeting ballistic standards. Adversaries face impossible problems. Every American infantryman possesses awareness analysts predicted would require command vehicles, meaning saturation tactics need unsustainable force ratios. This is the world's first helmet-integrated AI mission command, running Lattice autonomous warfare software. And integration into ballistic armor isn't compromise, it's the entire point. Because in peer conflict, information speed determines who wins. When Russian Sotnik requires manual data correlation, while EagleEye automatically fuses everything, heads up. Close quarters mathematics shifts so dramatically that traditional training becomes secondary to connectivity. China's Starry Sky may match hardware, but lacks combat data training Lattice's algorithms, creating software gaps widening with every engagement. The foundation is cognitive load reduction, determining urban combat survival. Current soldiers using Net Warrior receive data on chest-mounted smartphones. When encountering building threats, looking down 2 seconds, confirming friendlies, means 2 seconds tactical blindness ending in fratricide or death. Numbers sound manageable until multiplying across dozens of room clearings. When Microsoft's IVAS forced choosing between weapon sight or digital maps, while EagleEye projects both simultaneously without breaking contact, cognitive burden collapses. IVAS 1.0 caused simulator sickness, neck strain, tunnel vision. EagleEye solves this, moving computational weight to torso and utilizing Meta's wide-field silicon carbide optics, eliminating ergonomic failures, killing Land Warrior, and crippling IVAS. Through 2024, EagleEye uses silicon carbide waveguides with refractive indices bending light at extreme angles. SiC delivers revolutionary optical properties. High refractive index allows wider FOV in thinner lenses versus traditional glass becoming prohibitively thick. Durability is extreme. SiC resists thermal expansion and mechanical shock, surviving ballistic impacts, shattering consumer AR lenses. You achieve 70-degree peripheral awareness with foveal clarity in balanced helmets. Traditional night vision provides narrow 40-degree cones. EagleEye's wide field captures threats from oblique angles where ambushes happen. Meta's ULED engines, capable of 100,000 nits, translate to augmented overlays. Red enemy markers, blue friendly halos, visible in direct sunlight, washing out OLEDs completely. 100,000 nits, automotive durability, one helmet. That's not night vision, that's persistent decision support, maintaining tactical symbology from Arctic night to Iraqi noon. 8 EagleEye soldiers represent networked sensor arrays with collective 360-degree vision and vertical drone feeds, creating information asymmetry, collapsing enemy concealment. But raw optical performance is meaningless if software sacrifices usability. The system runs Lattice, Anduril's AI backbone, originally designed for autonomous counter-drone defense, now fusing data from thousands of sensors, satellites, ground radar, squad drones, into single, 3-dimensional tactical maps. That's engineering achievement, compressing enterprise-scale cloud computing into torso-worn compute pucks, also serving ballistic protection. Lattice ingests data continuously, performing real-time correlation. Anduril states, It combines Sentry Tower's autonomous decision-making with Anvil's sensor fusion. If Sentry autonomously classifies humans crossing borders beyond a kilometer, and EagleEye runs identical algorithms, the AI performs combat identification faster than human cognition. Likely computer vision trained on millions of thermal images, friend or foe transponders via encrypted mesh. Threat prioritization, highlighting confirmed enemies while filtering civilians. The result is helmets acting as second eyes, never blinking, reducing fratricide plaguing urban combat. Sensor fusion gains transformative capability through God mode visualization. Lattice actively interprets three-dimensional space, allowing soldiers seeing through solid obstacles. EagleEye uses mesh-networked drones overhead, detecting enemy positions behind walls, calculating geometry, and projecting targeting symbols through concrete. Soldiers clearing buildings literally see red diamonds marking enemy locations in unentered rooms, intelligence fed from quadcopters hovering 100 meters above. The system autonomously recognizes threats real-time in any weather, maintaining performance through smoke, dust, and electronic warfare jamming, defeating legacy radio systems. Lattice's decentralized mesh means if GPS is jammed and satellites severed, helmets communicate directly via short-range waveforms, nearly impossible to detect. The autonomous control interface uses gesture and voice, allowing soldiers commanding drones without dedicated controllers. Soldiers issue voice commands like, "Scan this sector," immediately tasking drones while maintaining weapon readiness. Cost is strategically critical. EagleEye costs approximately $10,000 per unit, half the projected IVAS cost, exceeding $20,000. Anduril achieves this through hyperscale manufacturing at Arsenal 1, leveraging commercial supply chains, Meta Optics, Qualcomm processors, Gentex ballistic integration. Components previously requiring months integrate in weeks using modular design. Lower costs mean larger stockpiles. If EagleEye costs half IVAS projections, the military procures twice as many for identical budgets, or maintains inventories while freeing $40 million per brigade for ammunition. Either way, affordability multiplies combat power, ensuring technology reaches frontline units rather than remaining restricted to special operations. But here's the strategic implication. Adversaries scramble countering. EagleEye fundamentally changes infantry economics by decentralizing command and control. Currently, destroying brigade headquarters with precision strikes, Russia's Oreshnik hypersonic missile design intent, cripples coordination. With EagleEye running Lattice mesh, every squad leader possesses tactical pictures previously available only at division operations centers. Command structures become anti-fragile. Decapitation strikes eliminate headquarters, but networks persist through distributed nodes. China cannot afford matching this gap, using centralized doctrine, relying on hierarchical information flow. Russia cannot sustain conflicts where every American squad requires company-strength coordination for effective counters. Anduril unveiled EagleEye October 2025. The system is funded through Army's Soldier-Borne Mission Command program. The plan fields initial units to 101st Airborne by late 2026. By partnering with combat units, Anduril maintains flexibility, incorporating soldier feedback. 101st Airborne participated in Project Convergence 2025 and Spectrum Blitz 25, stress testing technologies against peer threats. The Army cited concerns around electronic warfare resilience when conventional radios jam. EagleEye addresses this directly. Instead of developing armored command vehicles costing millions, the military distributes awareness across existing infantry, integrating $10,000 helmets. Standard advanced combat helmets, infantry squad vehicles, joint light tactical vehicles, all accommodate EagleEye without major modifications. Legacy formations suddenly gain networked capabilities, extending relevance years without wholesale replacement. The engineering philosophy reveals the program's nature. Conventional wisdom says augmented reality requires massive power, generating heat-draining batteries. EagleEye proves opposite. Capability comes from distributed architecture, offloading computation to torso-mounted compute armor, also providing ballistic protection. turning defensive equipment into offensive infrastructure. Anduril asked, how do we make every piece of equipment contribute to digital networks? And the answer changed everything. The most sophisticated United States infantry system ever built isn't compromised forced by budget constraints. It's deliberate strategic choice to distribute awareness, accelerate decision-making, and fundamentally alter peer conflict mathematics by making information dominance the default condition. When adversaries plan engagements, they calculate based on assumptions that squads possess limited reconnaissance, requiring minutes coordinating with headquarters. EagleEye makes those calculations obsolete overnight by collapsing timelines from detection to lethal response down to thought speed, transmitted through jam-immune networks. And by the time enemies adjust doctrine, accounting for networked infantry with autonomous drone support, American soldiers will already carry next-generation Lattice updates, making force ratios irrelevant by enabling single squads prosecuting targets previously requiring platoon-strength coordination. Weight isn't weakness, it's distributed lethality. And when every infantryman carries awareness of entire command posts without sacrificing mobility, numerical advantage stops mattering, and information dominance becomes inevitable. This is DIB Dispatch, where billion-dollar projects meet battlefield reality.